Hey guys, I just found a new season.
This is the part where you forget. This is the part where you
You have to play this now.
Hey guys, it's saucy and it's chewy. What's in my mouth? It's gotta be tips.
Goddamn, I need a foot job. Goddamn, I need a foot job. Goddamn, I need a foot job. Goddamn, I need a foot job.
I like to run around in your head, seeing every single thought that you have. I know you're every movie before you make it. There's no point in trying.
It starts with frimpong, and we all know why. We need a defender on the right hand side. Keepers in mind, you want every trophy. Texas number 3 and Mama Dash. League. Sponsor was a valuable thing. Then Curtis came in, will he be starting?
Fake niggas fake, yeah. A fuck nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A snitch nigga, that's that shit I don't like. A bitch nigga, that's that shit I want.
He's the only one I wanna give a big hug. He's a waterfall. He got so waterfall.
The climbers, I've been doing crazy tricks, and I whooped y'all like I whooped Hug 86. Created this, and I'm still dropping new shit.
Your nana died too?
I don't need that bitch. Solo dolo with Sopo and jumping flappers like Pogo. Establishing Nopo, you get it, and that's a no-no.